Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today we're diving into the Carhartt lunch kit, specifically the 12-can two-compartment lunch cooler. I ordered this bag to replace my husband's ratty old lunch bag, and I was pleasantly surprised when it arrived. It's made of that classic rugged fabric that Carhartt is famous for. This fabric is made from a polyester with Rain Defender, which is a durable water repellent fabric. This lunch cooler currently comes in 7 different colors: Carhartt brown, gravel, duck camel, black, tarmac, frosted balsam, and port, which is the one I ordered. So I always feel like I buy black and gray, and I just wanted to change things up a bit with this port color, and I really like all the colors. They're all really earthy tones. All right, let's dive into this bag and have a close-up look. It's made up of 2 compartments. So there's the main one, which is fully insulated with a PVA liner that promises to keep things cool for up to 8 hours. And it's made from a material which would easily be able to be wiped down. And then there's this top section, which is also insulated, and it has a mesh bottom, so it can take advantage of the coolness of the main compartment, but it's separated so that your chips or your sandwich is protected from getting squished. The top is accessed through the side zipper on the lid. The whole bag measures in at 10.5 inches wide by 9 inches high and 6.5 inches deep. So there's also a Velcro pocket on the front, which runs the full width of the bag, and it's perfect for cutlery, condiments, or whatever you want to stash in there. So there are 2 ways to carry this bag, either with the adjustable shoulder strap or the top handle. So let's test this bag out and see if it can indeed hold 12 cans. Yes, it can. 8 in the bottom and 4 in the top portion. So my husband works a 12-hour day, and he is often bringing several meals with him. I recently bought these Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers, which I absolutely love. They're airtight and leak-proof, and he'll usually take 2 of these with him. 2 of the 3.2 cup size fit perfectly spaced to one side, and there's still room for a lot more food, like the apple that gets its daily outing but always returns home. This is a really impressive lunch cooler. I know he's going to love it, and I've added links below to the Carhartt insulated 12-can 2-compartment lunch cooler and the food storage containers that fit nicely in this bag. And you can find those links below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more unboxings, reviews, and how-to guides here on Tinagirl Life. And while you're here, make sure to check out my other videos. You might find your next favorite product. Also, if you love travel content, don't miss my other channel, Tinagirl Travels, where I explore hotels, global shopping, airlines, cruise lines, and all things travel. You'll find plenty of tips and inspiration for your next adventure. Thanks again for watching Tinagirl Life, and I'll see you in the next video.